Good morning, everyone. I woke up in the Philippines. Good morning, everyone. Huh? Good morning. The kids are... I did not remove my thing anymore. All that my mom gave me. So... my dad is here. There. And my mom, we're going down. The kids are still asleep. It's the view, guys. View of our house. We're going down for breakfast. Saan ka makape, ma?
Dito sa kusina, pinaka-kitchen.
Hindi nga na sinilas sa ututin mo.
Doon.
Oho, pa, salamat.
Ito yung sinilas na ito yung masarap yung sa paa ito.
Mabili nga ako sa ano pa?
Subukan mo, sa SMR niya. Subukan mo yan.
Mabili ako sa Divisoria. Ay, oo nga.
Masarap sa paa.
Kasi yun na lang ang ipambabiyahe ko sa airport. At ang sama ng nakasapa. CCTV guys of my parents. I will do a proper house tour for you. Oh, this window is open. This is our outside there. It's gated. It's gated, guys. I'll show you later on. Ouch! That's the office of my brother. This is another receiving room. Office of my brother, this one. He's busy all the time. There, he has his own office. He's busy all the time. It can be a parking, but they decided to do it just a gated thing. Let's eat with my mom and dad for now. Good morning, Inay. Hindi ginamit niya ano yung bag niya. Coffee. Dami eggs and onion, garlic, sugar, lots of stock. This is the back of the house. Loads of papaya. Papaya. Ang alin?
Yan.
Bulok na pala yung jeepney.
Tailings na kasi yun.
Bulok na yung jeep. Ano pa? Car of my brother. 2 cars. Dito man nagtatrabaho. This is for the gold mining. We have golds. 18 karat ito 20 karat. Pure.
24 na nga yata.
24.
Ano yan ay kalapatay pa noon.
This is how they processing. My mom is
stone ng gold.
There. But no transaction today, my mom said, because we are here. They're busy. Or else, my brother has to be there. Really has to look after the workers. Has to be here all the time. There's a process from there, and then until you can see the gold. Ano ma? Until you get to see the gold. And then when it's form.
Wala lang, ay hindi ako nakatira noong gold na magganyan.
Ganyan gold ma. And then after that, you can have it as a jewelry. Ano ma? There's the story about of the house. That's the dining. That's the old jeepney of my mom. I used to be a public transportation. Oh, that's the back of the house. I will take you upstairs because Noah and Gab wants to see it. That's the back gate. And then there's a front. Tara na, masad. We have a rice. Ay, meron ako at... sige po. At saka ate ni Dor. Thank you, ate. Thank you po. We have a... It's a papaya with carrots. It's like a pickle papaya like that. Ano ito, ate? A fish. Pickle papaya. This one.
Huwag ka na pong maglagay dyan.
Oh, follow your uncle. They will show you. Tara naman. Ako'y pawis na pawis. Oh, careful. My brother is storing them on the back. Ma, dahan-dahan. Oh, mama. Dahan-dahan. Baka madulas ka, ma.
Hindi, sige na.
Oh, careful ha. Alin, ma? Sa aircon yun? That's the room of my brother. Ay, ma, we can't see hindi na natin makita ang dagat.
Ay, gawa ng mga ay,
Before you can see the...
mga trees na yan, nagtaasan.
You can't see before you can see the sea, but now
Umulan pala kami.
loads of trees now. This one, guys, that's the second, going to the third level. Carefully, mama. Oh, third level of the house. Ay, wow, it's so nice. Maayos pala mapinasimento mo. It's so nice. Yeah? What do you think, boys? Oh, there's a big... Huh? You like it? Oh, nagsayaw-sayaw na. Look at the mountain.
Oh, ayan oh.
That's our view. Mamaya, dyan ako maligo. I said to my brother, I'll shower there. Wow. Panigurado si Ed ay init na init yun. Me and my brother, kuya, used to, if it's raining, we will run up here and we will dancing in the rain. We like to have a shower in the rain when we were younger. Look at mama. Oh. That's the view. Nice view.
Yan, kitang-kita ang mga bahay, ang mga houses.
Baka mahulog ko yung cellphone ko.
Hindi naman.
I will go here so you can see that. Yeah, there's one room there for guest room, but my mom made it into a storage. Yeah. But before, my mom's employee used to sleep there. She has loads. My mom had a lot of business in the past. Businesswoman. That's the third level of the house. What do you think, Kuya Gabi? You like it? Watching TV. Oh. It's too hot. Hindi ko nga na ano. We are now in the van, going on another adventure. Guys, that's the front of our house. There, but I can't show you the other side.
Naisara na niyo yung gate. Ay, pawis na naman yan.
Ay na, my dad. Oh.
Kilala mo pa?
Pogi ang asawa ni. Bye-bye, inay. Ay, di ako nakikita ni inay. Pogi si Noah?
Ay, syempre. Mga anak ko. Ay, si mga ako po. Si God, si Noah.
Mailak mo yung pinto mo dun.
There, my parents' house. There, guys. There. Ay, my uncle's house, guys. We can't see well. We are in. Show you the business of my mom's parents. This is a coconut. They have to dry it out. Sorry, nak? They have to dry it out, anak. And then it can become a product. Oh, I'll show you. Business of my mom's parents. Kuya Enteng! Kumusta? Here. The shop of your Lola. Yeah? I'm telling Gabriel the shop of Lola and the parents of my mom. They're selling. You want a drink, anak? Do you want? I will ask Kuya Enteng. A cold one? You don't want? Come here. I'll show you the coconut, Kuya Gabi. There. You see, Kuya, loads of not a lot this time, but normally it's full. So your Lola's buying it, and then she sells it. Buy and sell of coconut. But the other one, the open one, this is how it will become, Kuya Gabi. But they are more expensive. It's copra. So that's the one there. You see all those one in the front? Yeah, this is the business of my mom's family, guys. There, buying and selling. So see, this is some more loads. Yeah, so you dry it out, or they cook it. There, loads in the front. Huh? Glass, yeah. Because Lola is selling. Was getting that one. Huh? A picture? Kuya Gab, there's a cone. Kuya Gab? No? Cone? Ayan. Kuya Gab, look. Oh. Which one, Noah?
This one.
That one?
Ito.
Yun daw ang gusto. Ayaw kumain ni Gab.
Ayaw?
Bakit kaya? Ay, mag-picture tayo.
Visa free?
Kung free daw, mabayad. Sabi, tanangin mo si Lola. Isa free. Tanungin natin si Kuya Enteng, nasa ng spoon. Ita sa spoon. May spoon yaan. Filipino ice cream. Okay. Yeah? Noah is funny. Noah wanted to pay. That's coconut. My sister. Guys, we are on the way to the big town. 1 hour away. There's Jollibee there, shopping mall. So, because Noah hasn't been eating Filipino food, so we're going there. There's gonna be lots of choices, so we can show the kids around on the way there. Brothers driving, my mom and Kuya Gabi and me. We are now in the big town, SM. Ay, saan tayo mapunta? At Noah J ang tawag?
Hindi pa.
Ay, may Noah Smith sa kanilang klase. Sa kanyang Smith. Tapos siya ay si Noah Jenkins. Ay di para Pag tinawag, hindi lilingon pareho. Ano? Si Noah J. Oh, di si Noah Jenkins yun. Si Noah Smith.
Sa
Is SM.
eat there. Order your
Toys. Pero, papipiliin natin kung anong SM Hypermarket. A grocery store lang yan, ma? O hindi?
Hindi, meron din dyan ano.
Hypermarket. Lots of tricycle.
Po, data po.
Aroy, dito sa loob ng SM?
Wala po, data lang po.
Oh. Aroy. They arrived in SM. There SM City Daet. Ano? Nakalagay sa harap. We are gonna eat. Uy, I get parking area.
11, ano po, 11? Ano po, 11, 10?
May chinecheck pala nito sa... we are in the mall. Mag-hi ka, Kuya Hebron. This is Kuya Hebron. My nephew. Mas matangkad ka pa sa akin? Huh? Saan si ano? Kuya, you can choose na. This is now the good part. Is it good? Ha? That my mom and dad. Oh. Anong meron dito, Kuya? Ano pa? Ayaw? Cakes? What do you want to eat, anak? There? Kuya, look at the pictures. Oh. What do you want to eat, anak? You say what do you want. May ano din, may French fries, Noah. May burger. Ha?
Sige, tingin mo natin sa iba.
Sa iba. Tama nila, no? You have to say what you like. Ha? You have paano? Painful tummy? Oh. Busy Jollibee. Are you sure you're not gonna eat or just a pudding? Not at all? We are looking somewhere to eat. Si Hebron, oo. Kubaay, ma. We are looking. Sigab, oo. Ang laki ng mall, maano? Kuya Gabi is now talking to Hebron, ma. Oh, magang English. Ano pa?
Sa ni Roger sa merong ano doon.
We are at Potato Corner.
It's the prices.
So Noah will buy. Ay! Thank you. We are on the lemon zone. At tatlo na kuya nung ano, blueberry. Si Kuya Kurt, ate. Dapat isang large. Ano?
Isang large.
Kuya, isang large, dalawang regular na blueberry lemonade. Sorry, kuya po.
Regular na blueberry ko.
Opo, at saka isang large.
Isang large.
So, bali tatlo po, ano?
Tapos isang lychee.
At saka isang regular na lychee. Sala. Noah is eating now. Madami-dami na nakain. Kuya, you want to try more chips? You don't want? Card. Coins.
Opo. Ano po ito? Parang 20?
I'm taking the kids there to Tom's World. So Kuya Gabi can enjoy. You want to try? And when you are starving, Ano yan? Pa-fresh milk yan? My sister-in-law.
So, like mine?
Wow. They've been to Shake Hills. It's very big. Oh.
Okay.
Ayan.
I'll wait for it to unroll.
It's so big. Kaya ining? Ang dami. Oh, look. We're gonna get Kuya Gabi your tablet. Ano?
Okay.
Family are here. Bakit dala mo ito pa? We have a massive
Pepperoni ano?
Ana, ito pala pa o nakaano. Mama, baka matapon yung naka-tape naman pala. Ito ang pepperoni pa. Ito ay may gulay. Ako pa. Ito.
Masakit sa kamay. Ano kaya ang gusto ng mga bata?
Ito yan. Kuya Gab.
May tissue sa bag niya.
Kuya Gabi. Eat the food.
Ano yung pepperoni dito?
Yan.
Ito.
And we have
Gab. Gab.
chooks to go.
Pepperoni.
Ano ito oh? Ano ito?
Ayan. Gab. Balat mo para pa rin. Wow. Big slice.
Pipicturean ko na kayo. Avocado lang yan, ma. Paray ko. Dali, ma. O, sige. Avocado lang ito, ma. May Indian mango po kayo? Ay, ito po, hilaw pa po ito. Wala na pong hinog. Salamat. Pa, hilaw daw yung mga avocado na yun. Doon na lang ako, makuha. At wala din naman siyang Indian mango. Oh! Nagsama ka, ha? Oo. At yun ay puro hilaw na avocado daw. Ito, avocado? Oo nga, hindi mangga. Ay, kukuhaan ko si Papa. Marunong ka pumili, kuya, ng hinog?
Pipisit mo naman pag medyo, ay, tuloy. Alin na hinog-hinugin nila, kuya?
Ay, napili na yung hinog ko. Pahinugin niya.
Ay,
Mga gano'n pa katagal.
tomorrow.
Mga 3 days.
3 days?
Pagkulogin mo siya. Ganito, mga ito.
3 days pa.
Ano yun? Ay, pero gusto ni Papa, di. Bilhin na lang natin.
Pwede naman.
Ay, pero sabi ni Kuya yun daw, ay bukas daw yun, ay hinog. Di yun na lang. Wala kang Indian mango po, Kuya. Oh, nagbaba rin si Mama. Wala. Walang Indian mango. Di na bali. Salamat po. Ano kaya sabihin ko kay Papa, bibilhin ko na. Ay, naroon, oh, mayroon pang isa.
Hindi ko alam kung may...
Wag na tayong bumili at wala. Baka wala din doon, kuya. Hayaan mo na.
Pakita mo lang kay kuya.
Wala yata, ano? Ano yun? Pakwan, wala. At saka pipino, oo. Sampung. Kuya Gabi, we're home now. Kuya Gabi will try shakies.
Tired?
Oh, the cockroach now. Look, cockroach. Cockroach, there, cockroach. Kasi time. Now, look, did you see it? Did you see? There. Did you see Nawa? Good job daw, kuya. Oh, kuya. What are you gonna get, kuya? May pinggan tayo dito pa? Sa taas? Hi everyone. I just finished giving the kids a shower. So, I got starving after that. I found this in the fridge. But there's a lot in the freezer. There guys, frozen. My mom had it done. So, fruit with coconut on it. Buko salad. So, yeah. And I had the spaghetti. Leftover of Gabriel from Shakey's after I gave the kids a shower. So, I'm gonna have this. Let's have this. It's the cups. I'll just use this. Yeah. I'll just use that, guys. Let's have a buko salad. It has cheese, corn, pineapple. Actually, fruit cocktail. Fruit cocktail, coconut shredded. Shredded young coconut. Raisin. So, let's eat it. The kids are still awake. But I told them to go inside the bedroom because there's aircon in there. But like me, I'm so sweaty now. I don't mind because I'm gonna have a shower after I ate something. And then I'm gonna lie down. And it has a condensed milk. Condensed or evap? Condensed milk. So, let's eat. There, guys. No one has thing it yet. There. Buko salad. My God. It's so nice. I miss the taste. I'm gonna finish all of this. So nice, guys.